Mathematics is the study of patterns and relationships. In this video, we are going to explore and expand our understanding of what patterns are and where we can find them. As an educator in the primary years, I often find myself getting stuck with a narrow lens of what a pattern can be. A simple AB, ABC, or ABBC pattern. In our BC redesign curriculum, positional, circular, and increasing patterns are elaborations introduced in grade 2 within the content area of exploring complex repeating patterns. I find a lot of inspiration for circular patterns in artwork, such as Susan Point, a local Musqueam Coast Salish artist. Examples of increasing and growth patterns can be easily found on Fawn Wynn's website, visualpatterns.org. However, I find resources to be limited when it comes to finding positional patterning. I will focus on two learning intentions of positional patterning. The first is related to mathematical language development. Positional language includes introducing words like after, between, beside, next. The other learning intention is related to reproducing, concretely and in drawings, describing, extending, and creating positional patterns. So let's become nature pattern detectives. We're going to start by collecting natural materials and creating our own positional patterns. On our nature walk, we collected some cones we found on the ground and began exploring. How could we label this pattern? AAB, AAB. Is there a way to use positional language to describe the pattern? Tall, tall, long, or maybe vertical, vertical, horizontal? Other investigation prompts could include, can we use other materials to reproduce the same pattern? What comes next in the pattern? How can we extend the pattern to the left or to the right? What is the same or different with these patterns? What else can we create using natural materials? How can we describe this positional pattern? One on the bottom, two on top. What comes before or next? How would we describe this pattern? What language would we need to introduce? Flat, stacked on top, in between, tall. We could extend this lesson by encouraging students to translate their patterns using a different medium. Maybe instead of a concrete example, we can use an action or sound to represent it. Maybe clap, snap, jump. We can also go for a positional pattern scavenger hunt. Where can we find examples in our school grounds? How would we convince a friend that it's a positional pattern? What language would we use to describe it? Is there a pattern to how the branches grow on this tree? Have fun with identifying and creating your own positional patterns.